Dear students, welcome to online class. Okay, let us see some points from our lesson title is The Snake and the Mirror. What is the lesson title? The Snake and the Mirror. Who was written this lesson? Who wrote this letter? Who wrote this lesson? Who is the author? Author name is Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Who has translated this lesson into English? V. Abdullah. Okay. Let's see, find some information in the previous lesson. Who are the characters? The characters are homeopathy doctor and his friends. Okay. Next. Who said this narration? Who is the narrator? Who is the narrator? Yes. Homeopathy doctor. The doctor only explained these all points what experience he had along with the snake. Okay, why did the writer put the title The Snake and the Mirror? Up to now, did you understand anything? Okay, here you should understand here compulsory we have some relation. The relation is the snake saw its beauty into the mirror. Dear students, did you see your face into the mirror? How much time do you spend with your mirror? Maybe 2 minutes, huh? No, 1 hour. No, 2 hours. 1 day. Okay, let's see. Okay. By the way, whatever it may be, the doctor also, when the doctor saw the mirror, he also admired of the mirror. He also eagerly waited to see his face into the mirror. That's why he prized his beauty. He wanted to take some decisions. Those decisions are important decisions, as taking decisions and lovely thoughts. What is the lovely thought? Lovely thought is he wanted to get married. The woman should have certain qualities. What are the qualities? What are the provision? The woman should have the provision of the doctor, same qualification, good practice, medical practice, as well as she should have the good plenty of the money. Because according to the money, she should not ask any amount. As well as she must handle a lot of things. Many patients should come to her and she must have a lot of money in her hands. You see, it is his feeling. It is his thought. Understood? Next one is, if she had a good medical practice, automatically she can earn a lot of money. If she had if she was a fat woman, what happened? Sometimes whenever he made some silly mistake, and then she also tried to catch him up, but she also failed to catch him. In that case, he also injured himself. Okay, these all type of things also were going on according to his marriage provision, marriage proposal. Let us see. Another thing is, okay, what happened in the previous session we learned. Okay, now in this part, let us see some of the matter here. In the page number 6, first line onwards. I did not know anything for certain. What sex was the snake? Was it female or male? Male or female? I will never know. For the snake, I unwound itself from my arm and slowly slithered into my lap. From there, it crept onto the table and moved toward the mirror. Perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection at closer quarters. This is a paragraph. Let us see some of the information according to this one. Here, in this paragraph, okay, in this paragraph, let us see some points. What points are explained by the homeopathy doctor? Okay, I did not know anything for certain things about the snake. For what did he wanted to know? About the snake, the doctor also explained. He wanted to know whether it was a male or female according to sex. And it I will never know about its snakes or else about its personality and other things. For the snake unwound itself from my arm and slowly slipped into my lap. Okay. While he is thinking in the severely in that case, at that time slowly it also moved towards the mirror from into the lap. Lap is called, yes. It also kept. It also moved towards his thighs. Okay. Next, from there it crept onto the table and moved toward the mirror. It also creep. It also was creeping towards the table and moved towards the mirror because perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection yet closer quarter. It also had such a thoughts like homeopathy doctor. Homeopathy doctor, when he found when he found a mirror, he also had several thoughts about his beauty, about his handsomeness. As well as the snake also had such a thoughts. These are ones. That's it. And I was to know, next paragraph, I was to know image cut in granite. Okay. He also severe thought of the instant, but he could not move anymore. It is happening. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. When the snake moved towards the table and the mirror, then when it reached to the mirror, then he also moved. He also slowly got up, and he also came out of that instant, out of that mood, and he also turned a man of a flesh and blood. The blood also moved towards the nervous, every nervous also, and still holding my breath, I got up from the chair. Up to then, he also holded his breath. But when it reaches to the mirror, then he also took a deep breath and got up from the chair. I quietly went out through the door into the veranda. Okay, immediately he got up. Like see, here one instant is given what was happening in the textbook. In the textbook, what the instant is going on. Have you found? The doctor got up. The doctor got up. And the snake also involved to see his face into the mirror. Have you found these all? Okay, children, let us see. And these all type of incidents also was going on. And he found these organs. And after that, then he got up from the chair and slowly he also moved quickly without in the hurry movement. He also went out of that house or else from the room, and he went into the veranda. From there, I leapt into the yard and ran for all I was worth. Okay, he wanted to get some support from that. That's why he ran without seeing back. He also reached to other place. Next one here. Each of us heaved a sigh of relief. Okay, then each of us, everyone, when he was in that condition, his friends also were in that very anxiety. They also came from that anxiety. They also got some relief. And my life companion is, all of us lit BDs immediately. All of us is called, all of us refers to, okay, his friends, and he also lit the BDs. And somebody asked, among these all friends, one person also asked the doctor, is your wife very fat? Is your wife very fat? What about your wife? Really, did your wife was fat? Okay, it is. Somebody asked him whether his wife was fat or not. Next one. No, the doctor said, God will live. Otherwise, my life companion is a thin, reedy person with the gift of a sprinter. Everything is God's will only. The God will give the fat woman or else the thin woman, whoever they are. Everything is in the hands of the God only. Everything is arranged by the God only. Everything is arranged by the God only. He said these are words. Everything is gift of the God. Like that he said. And someone else asked the doctor, Doctor, when you ran, did the snake follow you? Somebody also raised the question before the doctor whether the snake followed him or not while he was running towards his friends or towards a neighbor's house. At that time, the doctor also replied, I ran and ran until I reached a friend's house. Immediately, I smeared oil all over myself and took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes. The next morning, at about 8:30, I took my friend and one or two others to my room to move my things from there. But we found we had little to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things. The room had been cleaned out, but not really. The thief had left behind one thing as a final insult. Okay, this is the paragraph. In this paragraph, he explained the doctor, what time the doctor is? Yes, homeopathic doctor also replied to the remaining ones. What did he say? Until he reached his friend's house, he did not sit back whether the snake followed him or not. Immediately, when he reached his friend's house, immediately he also smiled, applied some oil on his body, all over his body, and he went to bath. And he took bath. He changed his fresh clothes, and he also took some rest. In the next morning, he and his friends, with some other men also, went to the rented room at the time of 8:30. And after that, then they found some material was they missed. Understood? They missed, the doctor missed some material in that room. And he found. And he also found some little bit of the material only. Little bit of the carryings only. Somebody carried his material. Somebody has stolen his material. Understood? These are. Then he also felt very sad in that case. And they also made him in shock. Like that he felt. And next question is, I asked the remaining. I request to hear homeopathic doctor. Homeopathic doctor also asked the remaining ones who heard his words in that case. And what was that? What is the material? What are those ones? Those ones are, the doctor said here, my vest. Vest is garments. What the waistcoat he wore at the time of duties. Somebody stolen that one. Somebody has stolen that waistcoat. And the dirty one. Here, the fellow, he also scolded. The fellow who had stolen these all material, those ones also appear like dirty ones. He said, the fellow had such a sense of cleanliness. The rascal could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. Okay, this fellow also used the water and soap, or else some other water to clean that one, to wash that one here. And after that, did you see the snake the next day, doctor? Somebody also asked him whether he found the snake in the room or not in the next day. Okay, then the doctor laughed when he received the question from the audience. When he received the homeopathy doctor received the question from audience, then he also laughed. The doctor laughed. Why? What is the reason? I have never seen it since. From that time onwards, and on that day only, on that day night only, on that night only he saw the snake. But from that time onwards, he could not see that snake again. It was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. It is a wonderful story. It is the first time the snake is looking at the mirror. The snake is looking into the mirror and praise its beauty and putting the dot on his forehead and hearing some black colored material on its eyelids. Because these all the pricing also are given. It's a very fun, like that is said. Understood? Dear students, from this lesson, enter one. It is a creation of Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Muhammad Bashir also explained the different case. It is an Indian story. It is maybe a real story or as a unreal story. But the story is given as our lesson. That is the relation between the snake and the mirror. The snake also prizes its beauty, its reflection by seeing its beauty into the mirror. That's why he explained that one. The concept. Did you like? Have you understood that story? From these ones, let us see some meanings, and after that we can know some other matters. Okay. Okay, students. Let us see some of the meanings from our this part. Okay. See, first meaning, sprinter meaning is a fast runner. Okay, he also ran as a sprinter, as fast runner, without seeing back. In that case, he used that term. Reading meaning is not pleasant. Okay, next one. A man of a flesh and blood. It also a normal man. He also came into the normal condition. Yeah, when he was in the difficult condition, where when he had a rubber tube like a snake, when he had a snake on his shoulder, then he also felt very hard to face the problem because it is a poisonous one. Then he also turned as a granite, but at present, then he also looked like a hard one, difficult condition. He was in the difficult condition. But here, he changed his movement as a normal condition. Here, a normal man. Taken with, it is a causal verb, take with causal verb. That meaning is attracted by. And lure, it means is be about. And I was no image cut in granite. What is the meaning of that one? The doctor no longer stood there like a statue. It is the meanings. Find these all meanings once, find that one. Okay, I was no image cut in granite. The doctor no longer stood there like a statue. Have you found the meanings? Okay. Let us see some information about this lesson. Up to now, we learned the snake and mirror. The snake and mirror lesson is a funny story, but I explained the serious mode. Okay. But here, what is the fun in this one? Actually, when any person, the funny incidents are having the fat man as a pride. It is a fun. And growing the mustaches, thin mustaches, it is a fun. And having showing the attractive smile, it is a fun. These incidents are very funny stories, funny incidents. These ones are showing the funny incidents in the story. And when he had some relation with the snake, then he did not move anymore because the snake was a poisonous one. When it bit him, what happened? He also lost his life due to that reason only. Recognize these ones. And gradually, he also had how many inches did he have the death condition? How many inches did he have to reach to the death condition? 3 to 4. Okay, next one. In what danger, what condition he was? Danger condition. Okay, next one. What about the sex the snake was? Yes, we can't say anymore here. And here, slowly, where did the snake move from his body? Yes, mirror, near to the mirror. When you see the mirror, how do you feel? You also wanted to see your face and praise your beauty. Okay, thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you very much to listen to the all ones. Okay, finally he lost his clothes and he scolded the fellows who had stolen those clothes, and after that he also clearly had given the lesson in the different ways, and he laughed together what he lost. Okay, thank you.